own it. This is nothing to hide. अगर आज मैं अपनी ये सारी बातें शेयर नहीं करूंगी, बहुत लोगों को नहीं समझ में आएगा. So good. If you are delusional, it will work. By the way. Now, if I talk about the phase of life I am in right now, हम brain को चलाते हैं. Brain हमें नहीं चलाता है. I never did because I had no reason to. भगवान अगर उस टाइम मुझे rich बना देते, मैं खुद ही खुद को गरीब बना देती. I'm writing I am rich, I am rich, I am rich in my head. I am poor, I am poor, I am poor. Okay, this is not a clickbait. I am sitting here from my own personal experiences, and I'm also a person who kind of like to read a lot about these manifestation, planets, astrology, etc., etc. And I believe as a child, I used to manifest a lot without knowing the concept of manifestation. And the best part about all the manifestations I did as a child was a lot of them came true and I did not even realize it. Here's a small list of the wishes I made as a child and it came true. I wanted to pay my own bills during college. I wanted to be a model, wanted to score good during my college, like A plus and all. This one is a very small thing, but I wanted to buy good brands makeup by my own money as a child, because as a child I didn't have them. I wanted to go out with my friends on road trips and jam on our favorite songs on a gloomy weather. None of it came an easy way or because I manifested them, but it took a lot of time, effort, energy, and even patience for that matter. I failed a lot before I started paying my own bills. I cried and hated myself a lot before I am what I am today. I was very disappointed with my marks before I started scoring A plus in all my subjects. I begged my parents to let me go out with my friends, such friends which I ended up cutting off later. There were a lot of failures, a lot of fears, a lot of tears before I started succeeding with my manifestations. And yes, I'm still not there where I want to be, but I'm still in a very better, far better place from where I started. And this is the positivity everybody needs in their life to manifest their dream life. We all know manifestation works on frequency. We human beings works on frequency. Universe does not understand our words. It understands our feelings which are based on frequency. And if that frequency is low, your life is a mess. I can tell you are sad, distracted, frustrated, etc. etc. Your frequency is high. You have your self-worth, you believe in yourself, you love yourself, you live your life to the fullest, etc. etc. This is what it means to be in low frequency and high frequency. As a child, of course, I did not know what manifestation was, but at least I knew I was happy. As a child, every one of us are happy because we are not dealing with a lot of baggages, a lot of traumas, or fake human beings, so on and so forth. That is why whatever we dream, we wish as a child comes true in the future when we grow up. Here is another sad part. Those dreams were childhood dreams. Now we are grown up. We have more dreams. We have adult dreams. उसको कैसे पूरा करें? This is where manifestation comes in picture, and this is where this video is important for you to understand. If you do not believe in yourself, if you have no self-worth, if you have no confidence, you do not know what you are doing to your life, why are you expecting your manifestations will come true in the first place? Universe is not liable to how you feel. Universe is not liable to fix your life. Universe has no liability on you. It is popularly said we attract what we are. So if you are already in a bad place in life, why do you expect universe to give you better in life? If you are sad, universe will make you sadder. If you feel undervalued, universe will make sure you feel it more. If you feel underconfident, universe will make you feel more underconfident. This is how it works. Let's take an example. जब भी बड़े बात कर रहे होते हैं ना, हम बच्चों को शांत करा दिया जाता था कि अभी बड़े बात कर रहे हैं, तुम्हारी बात हम बाद में सुनेंगे. वहीं पे कहीं ना कहीं consciously, unconsciously, we end up feeling undervalued. Now you felt undervalued only from your parents. Later on, you will feel it from your cousins, from your relatives, from your friends, from the people around you, from your teachers, etc. etc. It will keep multiplying. Because yes, I agree, started with your parents, but you are also making you feel the same way. You are also not valuing your thoughts. You are not valuing your self-worth. If you think I will ugly, universe will make sure you feel it the same way. Universe will bring you people who will constantly tell you on your face you are ugly. Yes, I am being very rude here because this is the reality. We have always seen this in life. The confident ones keep getting something or the other in their life, while the one who is underconfident keeps getting unnoticed. No opportunities, no compliments, no feedbacks, nothing. He is just not there for others for some reason, while the confident one is always shining. Why do you think so? That is the frequency we are talking about. They are not just manifesting it. They are in a high frequency. They believe they are confident. They believe they deserve the opportunities. They believe they are beautiful. That is why they get a lot of attention. They believe they are good in studies. That is why they are doing good in studies. We have all gone for interviews in our lives. Why do you think some people make it and some don't? Frequency. Maybe the one who got it believed that they deserved that position, while the ones who did not make it, they did not believe in themselves. Maybe they were constantly thinking about the mishaps that happened in the interview. If you remember, I said universe does not understand our words. So did you had a question? Why do we make affirmations? Why do we write our affirmations? Why do we say affirmations during the day, during the night, in the morning, whatever? Here is the thing. Those affirmations are just words universe is not understanding, but you are. When you start affirming these things, when you start writing these things, your brain automatically assumes this is the reality. This is what a lot of studies in psychology says as well. The brain does not know how to differentiate between the reality or an illusion or delusion, as we say. One of the very important thing which we human beings forget is हमारा ब्रेन हमारा एक पार्ट है. हम ब्रेन को चलाते हैं, ब्रेन हमें नहीं चलाता है. एंड व्हेन यू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड द डीप मीनिंग बिहाइंड दिस, योर लाइफ विल चेंज. एंड व्हेनेवर यू थिंक एनीथिंग नेगेटिव, जस्ट नो योर ब्रेन इज मेकिंग यू डू सो एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज चेंज इट because you are the queen, you are the director, you are going to decide what you let your brain think and not the brain decide what you have to think. From next time, whenever a situation happens when you are thinking negatively कि मुझसे ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा, मुझसे ये भी नहीं हो पा रहा, मैं इतना भी नहीं कर सकती, मैं सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठ पा रही, मैं रात में जल्दी सो क्यों नहीं पाती, मैं चाहती हूँ करना पर मुझसे हो क्यों नहीं रहा है. That's your brain and not you. So you will have to wire your thinking कि ठीक है आज मैं नहीं उठ पाई, कल फिर से कोशिश करूंगी. We can always restart. We can always refocus. We can always give us another chances, and that is fine. Maybe there will be days when you will not feel good about yourself, and that is okay. You have to tell yourself it's fine. I'll take a rest. I'll give myself some time and come back tomorrow. I always can restart like this. That is why I always tell this in my videos. Take it one day at a time. If someone is thinking anything bad, anything negative, it's here. It's not them. It's here. Maybe by heart everyone is a good person, but why do you think people judge? Why do you think people say something bad about some person? Because it is the default setting of the brain. हमारा brain पहले negative ही सोचेगा. अगर हम किसी को judge कर रहे हैं जाने अनजाने में, that does not mean you are a bad person. Your brain is making you think that way, and you can always rewire it. You can always make yourself think, what am I thinking? This is not I am. Stop it. If you are a delusional person like me, this is what I do. If I think anything bad, I just imagine in my head, delete button. I press the delete button and it's deleted from my head. Try this. It is so good. If you are delusional, it will work, by the way. So now we know why we make affirmations. It is not for the universe, but it is for you. It is for you to rewire your brain. This is why a lot of people also practice gratitude, so that our brain can rewire the negativity around us and we can focus on the positivity. आप खुद भी नोटिस करोगे पूरा दिन आपका अच्छा गया, लेकिन एक गलत चीज हो गई ना, आपका ब्रेन उस पर ज्यादा फोकस करेगा. वहां पे आपको वहां पे स्टेप अप करना है. यू हैव टू रिवायर कि इट्स ओके, मेरा पूरा दिन अच्छा गया है, मैंने इतने पैसे अर्न किए हैं, मेरी वजह से किसी को हेल्प हुई है, आज मैंने आज उन अंकल को थैंक यू बोला, उनके फेस पे स्माइल आ गई, नहीं लाइक्ड इट. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट रिवायरिंग योरसेल्फ एंड योर ब्रेन इनटू पॉजिटिविटी, you automatically increase your frequency. And remember, frequency is the whole point in manifestation. You can always increase your frequency. You can always step up higher. We take steps to go up. And these steps of life are not easy at all. Similarly, these steps to increase your frequency is not easy. There will be days where you feel like a shit. There will be days when you will not believe in yourself. But उसी टाइम पे आपको खुद के लिए खड़ा होना पड़ेगा कि नहीं, I am not like this. I am a better person. I am becoming a better person. And that is the whole point. When you start focusing on the process and not the result, your perspective to view things will automatically change. And then a day will come. This will start happening automatically, effortlessly. आप खुद ही नोटिस करोगे कि हाँ मम्मी ने मुझे ये चीज बोला था, बट इट्स ओके. मूड खराब था किसी रीजन से, मे बी वर्क में उनके साथ कुछ हुआ, वो गुस्सा उन्होंने मेरे पे आके निकाल दिया. दैट डजंट मीन आई एम अ बैड डॉटर. दैट्स द रीवायरिंग. अगर एज अ टीनेजर हमें आके मम्मी डांट देती थी, हम उसे अपने दिल पे ले लेते थे. ट्रस्ट मी, व्हेन यू बिकम अ लिटिल पॉजिटिव अबाउट योर लाइफ, you start becoming more understanding, you start becoming more mature. I remember random moments when I'm brushing my teeth and I am thinking something good and I realize, oh, I took it so positively. Oh, I took this incident so positively. Going to sleep and I realized, oh, that happened, but it's okay. कोई वजह से हुई होगी. Now, if I talk about the phase of life I am in right now, anything that goes wrong, I take it as God's plan. For example, I was not going to shoot this video here. I was going to shoot this video somewhere in the other room. But certain reasons की वजह से मैं वहाँ पे शूट नहीं कर पाई. अब मेरा दिमाग खराब हो सकता है, छोटी सी बात थी, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो सकता था. फिर मैं सोच सकती थी, मैं तो जो सोचती हूँ कुछ नहीं होता मेरे साथ. आउटफिट अच्छा हुआ, ना ही मेरा बाल अच्छा हुआ, मैं यहाँ पे शूट करना चाहती, वो भी नहीं हुआ, गेस्ट आ रहे घर पे, मुझे कोई वीडियो बनाने नहीं दे रहा. बहुत कुछ सोच सकती थी मैं. लेकिन मैंने बोला ठीक है, मे बी गॉड डू नॉट वांट मी टू मेक इट देयर. अपने रेगुलर प्लेस पे ही वीडियो बनाना है शायद आज. I just took it that way and I'm sitting here making video positively. As the rewiring I did to my brain, it was not easy. It took me years and years to build this brain. It took me years of research. It took me years of self-work to be here and talk about this. I've never talked about manifestation. Why do you think I never did? Because I had no reason to. Because I was in such a bad state of mind. मैं हर चीज को नेगेटिवली ही लेती थी एंड आई वाज इन अ लो फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड आई विल ओन इट. दिस इज नथिंग टू हाइड. अगर आज मैं अपनी ये सारी बातें शेयर नहीं करूंगी, बहुत लोगों को नहीं समझ में आएगा. 3 years ago I bought this thick diary so that I can simply affirm. I used to write every night before sleeping so many things. None of it came true. None of it came true. Why? Because I was just writing it. I was not feeling it. My frequency was so low कि मैं बस desperately ऐसी चीजें मांग रही थी जो मैं सहन ही नहीं कर पाती. मान लो I was wanting a relationship. Well, this is just an example, not a reality. मान लो वो manifestation के थ्रू सच भी हो जाता, मैं एक relationship में आ जाती, लेकिन write and give it to you, मैं वो relationship नहीं चला पाती, मैं give up कर देती, मैं कुछ भी कर लेती, लड़ाइयाँ होती हर दिन, क्या नहीं हो जाता. यस, मैं इतनी लो फ्रीक्वेंसी में थी कि उसकी छोटी छोटी बातें मुझे बुरी लग सकती थी. वो मजाक में मुझसे बोल देते ये कैसे शक्ल बना के घूम रही है, मुझे वो बुरी लग जाती. वी ऑल नो हाउ मेन आर. वो रोस्ट करते रहते हैं जगह जगह, लेकिन उस टाइम पे अगर ऐसा कुछ होता मैं दिल पे ले लेती. मुझे मेरे स्टूडेंट्स बहुत रोस्ट करते थे, बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है एंड दे नो इट कि उनके कुछ बोलने की वजह से मैं रोई हूँ क्योंकि मैं दिल पे ले लेती थी. अगर सोचो मैं बहुत सारे पैसे मांग रही हूँ लेकिन वो पैसे मैं संभाल ही नहीं पाती, मैं उड़ा देती, खर्च कर देती दोस्तों के ऊपर. एंड आई एम अ वेरी ओवर गिविंग पर्सन. मैं कर देती, आई स्वेयर मैं कर देती, मैंने किया है. तो भगवान अगर उस टाइम मुझे रिच बना देते, मैं खुद ही खुद को गरीब बना देती. सब कुछ मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, ऐसा हो सकता था, इसलिए मुझे उस वक्त नहीं मिली. इनफैक्ट जब मैं लिखती थी मुझे और पैसे चाहिए, मेरे पैसे कहीं ना कहीं तो चले जाते थे और मेरे पास पैसे ही नहीं बचते थे क्योंकि मैं लो फ्रीक्वेंसी में थे. मैं डेस्परेटली उस पैसों को मांग रही थी, इसलिए मुझे नहीं मिला. बिकॉज बैक इन द हेड आई न्यू आई डू नॉट हैव मनी. और मैं इवन दो आई एम राइटिंग आई एम रिच आई एम रिच आई एम रिच, इन माई हेड आई एम पुअर आई एम पुअर आई एम पुअर. My frequency and what I'm affirming were not matching at all. And this is the whole point in manifestation. आप कोई भी ट्रिक्स अपना लो, 369 मेथड, 1111 पोर्टल, 88 पोर्टल, बहुत सारे पोर्टल्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे मेथड्स होते हैं, मुझे इतना मेथड्स के बारे में पता भी नहीं है. अगर आप एक अच्छी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड में नहीं हो, इफ यू डू नॉट बिलीव द पर्सन यू आर, डू नॉट हैव एनी सेल्फ वर्थ, लिख के देती हूँ, अगर आप उस चीजों को नहीं मानोगे वो नहीं पूरी होगी. द होल पॉइंट ऑफ दिस वीडियो is to fix yourself. If you realize that, stop comparing yourself, stop seeing yourself as you are nobody, stop questioning your self-worth, stop questioning whatever you do in your life, stop questioning everything and just believe in yourself. Just believe in yourself इतना ज़्यादा crazy कि सामने वाला इंसान डर जाए आपसे. Just have इतना believe in yourself that सामने वाला person feels intimidated from you, from your presence, from your aura. Because when you believe in yourself, your aura increases, your personality develops, you become a better version of yourself. एंड ये सारी चीजें बोलने में सुनने में अच्छी लग रही है, करने में बिल्कुल नहीं होगी. आई स्वेयर नहीं होगी. यू विल फील फियर बिकॉज यू विल फेल. हैव इतना ज्यादा फेथ इन योरसेल्फ, trust yourself to this limit कि no matter whatever life throws at you, you know you will still walk like a queen. That's the self-worth I'm talking about. You have to feel like a queen. You have to act like a queen. From acting, this point is coming up. Everybody wants to be rich in today's time. Who does not want to be, right? You want, I want it. And I'm sure a lot of you all have also heard about act like the way you want to become. Why do you think it is such a popular statement? Again, it is related to psychology from your brain. When you act, your brain starts believing you are rich. Now, acting does not mean you have to go and tell others, brag about your being a rich woman while being a poor, that I can do this, I have this, I can afford this, I can go to Paris, I can go to London, blah, blah, blah. That is not what acting means. Acting rich means you have to make yourself believe that you are rich and not others. अगर आप others को जाके believe कराने की कोशिश करोगे ना, that is where your insecurity is showing up. To make yourself believe that yes, I am rich. And how will you do that? Be delusional. Be crazy delusional. Start thinking like when you will be rich, how will you sleep? The type of bed you want to sleep. The type of room you want to have. Start imagining them. And then when you go to sleep, imagine you are sleeping on that bed. Imagine how you would like yourself to sit when you are a rich woman. Sit like that from now on. That is what acting means. You already feel rich before becoming rich. Manifestation is nothing but to have a belief in yourself, to wire your brain positively. अगर आज आपके साथ कुछ चीजें गलत हो रही है, ट्रस्ट इन योर सेल्फ, कल अच्छी हो जाएगी. अगर आज आपके मार्क्स बुरे आ रहे हैं इन एग्जाम्स, ट्रस्ट मी कल आप पास हो जाओगे. अगर आज मेरे वीडियोस में व्यूज नहीं आ रहे, आई बिलीव कल आ जाएंगे. दैट इज द बिलीफ आई हैव इन माई सेल्फ, दैट इज द फेथ आई हैव इन माई सेल्फ. And this is not being delusional, or maybe it is, I don't know, but it is working out for me. I am in that phase of life. If I think something about it positively, it will happen tomorrow. I know it. Or maybe just after this video, it might happen. I don't know. You do not focus on things you don't have, but focus on things you have or you can have. Right? Slowly you will realize that your fears are fading away. Do not care what people think of you. You do not give a damn if somebody comes and tell you something on your face which is not true. दूसरों का सुन के नहीं इतना फील होता. जब आप खुद में ही अपने अंदर फील करोगे ना कि एक साल पहले मैं कैसी थी और अब मैं कैसी हूँ, you will see the difference. You will feel so good and that feeling will make you even better. And when that positivity comes to your head, comes to your life automatically changes, automatically start manifesting things you always wanted to have. And trust me, उस टाइम आपको ये टेक्निक्स करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. 369 11 जो भी होता है, you do not have to. आप बस सोचो उस बारे में, वो हो जाएगी. This is the state of mind you have to come to. When you start becoming this person who takes things positively, you will automatically see how your life is changing. You are not even doing anything. Good things are simply happening to you. That's how you attract things. So next time when you want to manifest anything, just focus on being a better person. Think positively. So with that, I will end this video here. I hope you got to learn something from this video. Such videos like this, so like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Tata, bye bye, take care.